Welcome back everyone to another video. If my voice sounds kind of weird, that's just because I'm a little bit sick. But here I'm unboxing the portable Viewsonic vx1755 gaming monitor. It's a portable monitor, 17 inches or 17.3 inches, and it's 144 hertz and comes with AMD FreeSync. And I want to use this as my second monitor, sometimes to game with, sometimes just to watch videos or have Discord open and stuff like that. It was on sale for $240, I believe, $239 on Amazon. I will link it down below. Now this has I believe a CES reward or something, choice, and it's just a really good reviewed monitor. Has an IPS matte display, so it has good viewing angles. And here is I'm taking out the HDMI and mini HDMI cable, and here's the wall adapter to plug into power. It's USB-C connected, and the wall thing also detaches. Also, we have the USB-C to USB-C end. That is for plugging in for video or for charging or whatever, but I use that to charge. This one you can use to USB-A to USB-C to connect to video, but I will be using the mini HDMI to connect to my graphics card on my desktop. So here's all the stuff, all the attachments it comes with. Mini HDMI to HDMI, USB-C, USB-C, and USB-A to USB-C. Now here I'm taking out the monitor. This is, again, it's 17 inches, 144 hertz. Oh, this is the cover. I forgot, the cover was on top. This is like a magnetic cover, and the back I believe is metal, so it connects metal, and it's a cover so you can travel with it and stuff like that. But I use it as a stand, and I will be doing a review on this soon, so stay tuned, subscribe, like the video. And it's a really nice cover, very premium feeling. It says Viewsonic on it, and yeah, overall it's pretty premium quality so far. It only comes with one piece of paper or booklet. It's just a user guide, and it shows the cables it comes with and the connections you can plug into the monitor. For example, it has a headphone jack, the 2 USB-C connectors, and then the mini HDMI end connector. So that's the model vx1755. I've heard great things about this monitor. So far I have used it a little bit. It does have great viewing angles. I love the adjustment of the back stand that you can like pull out a little bit and retract. Very neat. And then finally here we have the monitor itself. This is the back of it. As you can see, it has a very like cut off triangular foldable stand in the back, and I really loved like the kind of gunmetal gray there. And right here I will show you the speakers is on the bottom. And what's crazy is on Amazon in the front where it says Omni, it said Viewsonic. So I kind of prefer the Omni name on the front instead of Viewsonic. I think the Omni looks nicer. It does have Viewsonic on the back and on the cover, but I don't mind it. And the Omni is very low key, it's less letters than Viewsonic on the bottom, right? Here are the ports. So you see the 2 USB-Cs on the top, mini HDMI, and the headphone. There's small speakers on the bottom. I don't recommend using them because they sound terrible. well, they are just, you know, built-in speakers, whatever. And then here are the menu buttons and the power button, and it does have a blue LED light to indicate if it's on. And yeah, thanks for watching.